There are a few other things that I can insert into my Google Sheet. Looking back at the Insert menu, I can insert a function. We saw this same button on our Quick Access toolbar, and again, we'll go through all of these in a later section, but know from the Insert menu, you can add a function. You can also insert a link, and we looked at that from our Quick Access toolbar as well. Next, we can insert a checkbox. So if I wanted checkboxes next to each buyer's name, I can click on the cell that I'd like it to be in, go to Insert, and choose Checkbox. Now there's a checkbox that is clickable within that cell. I can select a range of cells by clicking in one and dragging down, and I can go into Insert and choose Checkbox, and it will put a checkbox in all of those cells. Now I can go through and check them off as I would like. Next, I can insert a comment. So maybe I would like to leave a comment about this buyer. I first select the buyer. I select the cell that I would like to leave the comment in. I go to Insert, and I choose Comment. Now I can type my comment. When I click Comment, it's going to put a little triangle in the upper corner of that cell. Whenever I put my cursor over that triangle, it will then show up. Next, I can insert a note. If I click Note, I can type right in that box. This works the same, but the triangle is a different color than what a comment would be. Notice that in the comment it has my name and a timestamp and the ability to say that it's been resolved. With the note, it doesn't leave a name or a timestamp or any other buttons. It's just simply a note within the cell. Your final option in your Insert menu is to insert a new sheet. If you want a blank sheet tab, you simply click New Sheet and a new sheet will appear.